perfect, good. So,
No,
black ones.
that one.
Silver ones are for the brakes.
Black one is speaking.
No, black ones for the gears and the silver ones for the brakes. We'll need this again to measure. We'll measure the next section from there to there. So yeah, we might do more. Yeah.
I think that one, yeah?
Yeah, and everyone's okay. So this one and then this separate. So forward, cut some more. Okay, so now we've got the section from there to there. What is in that section?
This one,
Ready? Okay, and go to there. Up and round. No. Check number 8. Check number 8. From 8. 8. 8. Okay, spanner. Try to take another. Right, tight. Then you. Doesn't know the strength. Too tight.
Me, I'm close to mine, but the bike again.
Okay, careful, I mind checking first. Using gear 1. Okay, screwdriver. A second. I'll try to push it. Squeeze it in to get it past the frame. And to have right, it's curved.
That way.
Doesn't matter which way. So we've got that one there. Okay, that's going to go cut 2 pieces,
That's one.
That one. This one.
Okay, and you've got this in your. Okay, so you need from there to this one. Yeah.
Okay.
That one. Okay.
Yeah.
So all of that goes that side, which means now we're going to have to loosen this cable off because it's going to be too tight. So those two go that side, and then the other ones go the other side.
No, that one's the same.
What we'll do to make it easier for them is we'll just loosen off to there so it doesn't fly around. Take it out to the stand. Okay. So we happy now? All bike is fixed.
Yeah.
Happy now?
Yeah.
Yeah. All bike fixed.
No.
Happy?
No, wait. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, he's
Okay. So that one there. See, always check.
Yeah. This one.
You got this? No, that's good. That's right. Okay. A bit of brass on here. Tire. Stay in that. That's good. Good. Road test.
خلي بالك هنا امشي برا شوي امشي good come back
Okay. And the access goes last year, and I went look at some of these guys.
Anissa come Anissa come Anissa come
This on these rock walls, you know, really hard to go west there, because they're showing
I'm still learning.
at home, of course, on the mountains, in Sudan or Ethiopia, that's what it's on. I think there, the Jordan, we've got up in here, because everybody's too tight. In your prime centre, in the... Yeah, you did. Yeah. Good? Is it good? You happy?
Good, my bike is nice. Thank you very much for help me about the bike. Oasis.
Poor pose. You're all pose. Posers. Good. Come on.
Okay, my name is Aidan O'Neill. I own Gethin MTB. We're the sole providers in Wales for motorbike leadership, for motorbike maintenance, national standards and first aid. The reason I come here to the Oasis Centre is to help these guys fix and service not only their own bikes but the other bikes from in the community. They deal with an awful lot of people on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and what I'm looking to do is to promote their skills, develop their skills, so they can offer something back to the community in the form of bike maintenance. What you've seen today on the video is the guys going through a process, a 2-day qualification. Yesterday they learned from me how to fix the bikes, and today I've been assessing them fixing the bikes also. You've seen the guys have been outside and road testing the bikes. That's part of the final process, because what we don't want is for the guys to go out riding bikes and for it to fall apart. But luckily enough today, everything's gone really well. The guys have all passed their course, and those bikes are now safe to ride. Okay, thanks very much.